Joe Beermaster here. We have an Echo 225.
Replacing the head.
We're replacing the head. We have a new head. It looks a little different, but this will work. In the situation we got into, if you look in there, there's a little
key.
Oh, key. You put a screwdriver in there. That's what it looks like, but it's not. And this thing will spin in the opposite direction. So if you spin the head around,
find the keyway.
Find the keyway. You can see it. Look, I'll spin it. Take it out. And you have to spin it till it matches up, and then you'll see a hole. You stick a little screwdriver in there, and then you spin this
counterclockwise.
Clockwise, which is opposite of what you would normally do. And it comes off. That's the trick to this. We're going to put the new one on there.
Might be different threaded. I can't get it started. I don't think it's the same. I think it's threaded different.
Unfortunately, the threads are different on this one we bought online, so it will not work. So I don't understand. Everything looks the same. Actually looks a little different, but it looks like it should work. We're gonna have to send this one back because the threads don't work. But the trick is in that keyway in there. You spin it, you can see it. And here it is. It lines up there. You put a screwdriver in and it holds it. You spin it.